We've all been there. Bills pile up, unexpected expenses pop up, and suddenly that paycheck you just got feels miles away. But what if there was a way to access your earned wages before the official payday? That's where dailypay comes in. This innovative service allows you to transfer a portion of your earned wages instantly to your bank account. Need some cash to hold you over until payday? dailypay lets you grab what you've already worked for whenever you need it. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But if you're new to dailypay, you might be wondering, how do I find my account number? Don't worry. This short guide will walk you through exactly where to look. First things first, it's important to understand that dailypay doesn't technically give you a traditional account number like your checking or savings account. Instead, dailypay acts as an intermediary, facilitating the transfer of your earned wages before your official payday. However, there is an account number involved, but it's used specifically within the dailypay system for routing your funds. So, let's dive into finding that number. There are two main ways to access your dailypay account: through the dailypay app or by logging in through a web browser. No matter which method you choose, the steps to find your account number are very similar. Finding your account number through the dailypay app. Open the dailypay app on your phone or tablet. Log in using your dailypay credentials, username and password. Once logged in, you'll typically land on the dailypay home screen. This screen displays your current available balance for transfer, which is a portion of your earned wages. Look for the Settings or Account tab. This might be located in the bottom right corner of the app or represented by a gear icon. Tap on the Settings or Account tab. This will open a menu with various account options. Within the menu, look for a section titled Bank Accounts or Account Information. This section should display the routing and account number used by dailypay to transfer your funds to your designated bank account. Finding your account number through a web browser. Head over to the dailypay website. Log in using your dailypay username and password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dailypay dashboard. This dashboard displays similar information as the app, including your available balance for transfer. Locate the Settings or Account menu option. This might be found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Settings or Account menu. This will open a drop-down menu with various account options. Within the menu, look for a section titled Bank Accounts or Account Information. Similar to the app, this section should display the routing and account number used by dailypay to transfer your funds. Important notes. It's important to remember that the dailypay account number is for internal use within the dailypay system. You won't be using this number for things like writing checks or making debit card purchases directly from the dailypay account. If you ever need to update your bank account information linked to dailypay, you can typically do so within the app or website settings. Dailypay emphasizes security, so make sure to keep your login credentials confidential and avoid sharing your account number with anyone unauthorized. So there you have it. Finding your dailypay account number is a quick and straightforward process. With this information readily available, you can easily manage your dailypay account and access your earned wages before your official payday. Dailypay can be a valuable tool for managing your finances and gaining more control over your cash flow. Remember, it's always a good idea to review dailypay's terms and fees to ensure it's the right fit for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.